told you that in just 1 week, I tested 10 side hustles without breaking a sweat. And some of them made me way more than I even expected. Imagine being paid while barely lifting a finger. Could you really get paid while chilling? Stay tuned to find out how much you can make while just doing your normal things that you usually do at home, and what platforms that you can use to get paid while chilling. I'm also going to show you in this video the platforms that are worth it and those that are not worth it. So stay tuned. Hey fam, it's your girl again. You all know that here I always look out for ways that you can make extra cash without having to put in a lot of work, without having to stress and break a sweat. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with these side hustles that I'm about to show you in this video. Well, I've heard this side hustle that supposedly pay you while you're relaxing, and I decided to give it a try. Side hustles like scrolling through your phone, watching ads, or even taking photos. So I had to put that to the test. And the last 7 days, I decided to try out some of these side hustles that supposedly pays you while you are getting lazy in your own home. I went in with no skills, no crazy working hours, and just doing the normal things that we all do every day. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you which ones that got me like feeling I struck a gold, and which one that I felt just wasted my whole time trying them out. So guys, let's dive into the very first side hustle that I tried. So the very first one I tried is paid online surveys. We all have heard about paid online surveys, where you take surveys online and you get paid. So I decided to give it a go. Why not? So these surveys, what it entails is for you to sit back, give your opinions, and you get paid. So I did just that. And at the end of the day, yes, it does work, but it took longer time than I expected to make huge amount of money. And let me if say that this kind of side hustle is good for people who doesn't mind to just wait for the cash to build up. Remember, you're not going to make a lot of money because this is side hustle. At the end of the day, it does build up, it does add up. So if you're those kind of people who doesn't mind to wait, this definitely is for you. I tried testing websites and apps to earn money online. Companies actually pay you to give your honest opinion to their website and some of their apps. This sounds cool, isn't it? Yeah, it does. It was pretty fun, and this wasn't shabby at all. So I quite enjoyed it. So this is the kind of side hustle that you could easily earn up to $30 just testing the apps and testing the website. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't mind, this could be the aim for you. This could be the platform for you to earn money. But the thing with this particular side hustle is it's pretty easy. All you need to do is just to share your thoughts. That's it. Share your opinion about the website and the apps, and you're earning money. But finding enough job to do consistently, that's where it becomes tricky. But for a few dollars in your pocket, I mean, that's not bad, guys. Okay, so this third one actually surprised me. I never knew that you could actually take photos and sell them online. Yeah. Now, the good thing is I didn't need a fancy camera for me to take the pictures. No. I also didn't need some crazy photography skills to be able to do this. I just uploaded some simple photos I already had on my phone onto Shutterstock, and that's it. People that need such photos, they will buy them and you get paid those extra cash. Now, while I didn't make a lot of money in 1 week, I made some money, which is cool. Now, let me quickly tell you that this side hustle is just a slow burn. You might make some cents here and there, but as people begin to like your photos and download them, the money will start adding up and you start making more So if you got some photos on your phone, why don't you use this to make money? Like those holiday photos that you love to take, you can actually earn money by putting them up on this platform and selling them. Now the fourth one I tried is watching ads for money. Yes, do you know that you can actually make money by watching ads on platforms? Now there are companies that pay the website for people to watch their ads and they get paid. So the money they pay the website, they share it with you. So don't get me wrong, this one isn't gonna add up so quickly, but if you got time in your hands and you're somebody who doesn't mind watching ads, this could be the one for you, because as you watch, the pennies, they start adding up for you to start making money. Now this particular one is for those of you who can handle small tasks here and there. I signed up to become a virtual assistant, yes, and I make some money. This is my best one. I enjoy this one so much, right? Because you can easily make $100 when you sign up to become a virtual assistant. Now, what do virtual assistants do? Virtual assistants, they actually help whoever has employed their services to answer calls, go through their emails, respond to emails, and everything virtual. That's why they are called virtual assistants. So if you don't mind helping someone out, you know, these people that are so busy out there, they don't have time, but they have a lot they want people to help them with, can actually help them do that and make some money. Now this one, you can easily earn up to $100. Yeah. So if you don't mind being organized and helping some people do stuff, organizing, scheduling their meetings, answering their emails and all of that, this is the perfect side hustle for you. So give it a go and let's know what you think. Okay guys, so this one is affiliate marketing. Yes, I love affiliate marketing a lot. What you need to do is just to share other people's product link. And when someone uses that link that you shared to buy something on the website, you get paid a commission. Now this commission does add up, right? So there are so many affiliate programs out there that you can sign up with them and get what is called affiliate link. You use your social media platforms to promote the product, and anybody who clicks on your link, buys the product, you get a commission. How cool is that? You can do it wherever you are, whether you're traveling or cooking, you can do this. So this is another side hustle that pays. Now this particular one can be slow at first, but with time, and it starts making money for you. Okay, so the next one is digital product. Do you have a skill or knowledge you can share? This one is definitely for you. I tried creating a digital product like you can see up there. That is the link to my digital product. So what this means is if you click on my digital product and you buy it, I will get the money. And it doesn't take much to create the digital product. If you create an ebook, you create a journal, you create children's book, you create an online course, all these are digital products. So you can get ideas from ChatGPT on the kind of product that you can create. If you do not know how to create digital products, well, I have courses for that and I can show you how to do that. I have one-to-one where I show people how to create digital products, what platforms to use, and all of that. Now this is a long-term hustle whereby you put up your digital product to the platform of your choice that you want to use to sell or market them, and they're just there. So anybody that buys them, you are making money. So this is a very cool side hustle, guys. You might want to try this. So if you're very creative and knowledgeable, this is one side hustle that is going to make you a lot of money down the line. So give it a go, why not? For those of you who love to write, this particular one is for you. There are platforms that you can make money from for just writing blog posts and such posts, right? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can put up a good profile there, and people that need your services will employ your services and you get paid, you make money. There are so many people on these platforms, they are making a lot of money. So give this side hustle a try. If you love writing, this is the one for you. So I gave this particular one a try, and I got some gigs. Definitely give this one a try. Yes, you're gonna love it and you're gonna make a lot of money. Okay, lastly, I rented out a room on Airbnb and I made some money. So if you have that extra room you're not using, probably you live in a 4-bedroom house and in 3 of the rooms and one room is just there lying waste, why don't you put it up in Airbnb and make some money, guys? This is a cool way to make some extra cash. Yes, so try this and thank me later. I mean, that is cool. So if you have space, this is a very easy, cozy way of making money online. So guys, after trying these side hustles for a week, what did I learn? I've learned that the potential for you to make money all depends on you, depends on the time you have and how much time you want to put in. Secondly, it depends on your interest, what you love to do. So the interest you have is what will motivate you to put in the time and make the money that you want. That's what I've learned. Some like watching ads, but that wouldn't make you a lot of money, while some like being virtual assistants. Yes, you're gonna put in the work, you're gonna assist someone, you're gonna help someone organize themselves, organize their works, answer calls and all of that, but you get paid more. So it all depends on what your interest is, what you love to do, how much time are you ready to put in. That is what will determine how much you get paid, how much you're going to earn while doing all of this side hustle. So choose the one that suits you. The thing is, at the end of the day, if you want to make extra cash by the side, there is definitely something out there for everyone. So you just decide on which way you want to take, which one you want to use to make that extra cash that you want. So it's all about finding that side hustle that works for you. So let me know, which one are you going to try of all of this that I have shown you today? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to drop your comments. And also do not forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. If you subscribe, please do not forget to click on the bell notification so that you don't miss a gem like this. I drop videos like this